Unpacking your TV the correct way makes for a safe and easy install. Before getting started, make sure you have a couple of friends to help you out. Remember, safety first. Also, make sure you have a big enough area that's flat and sturdy to place your TV on. Begin by removing the accessories and the 2 stand feet. Oh, and don't forget to grab the quick setup guide. Then remove the top styrofoam. Placing one hand on the box to keep it steady, use your other hand to tear off the back of the box along the perforated line. If your TV is curved, take the protective styrofoam and place it on the surface with the smooth side facing up. Refer to the orange sticker for guidance on how to properly orient your TV on the styrofoam. If your TV is flat, remove the styrofoam piece protecting the front of the display and set it aside. Then, place a soft, non-abrasive blanket down on a large level surface to ensure your TV will be protected. Now you're all set to remove your TV from the box. It's very important that you do not squeeze the TV screen. Carry the TV using the edges. Placing one hand on the top corner of the TV and the other on the side edge, carefully pick up the TV and place it face down onto the blanket or styrofoam. Be sure and position the bottom of your television near the edge of the surface. This will be a big help when it's time for you to attach the stand. Now let's go and gather all the parts we need to install the stand.